Hello everyone, this is Sujoy Utchoy, Tipra Motha party candidate of Nutanbazar Malbasa ADC constituency. Wishing you all in advance for the upcoming festivals, that is Boishu, Biju, Sangrai, Goriatea. Before that, on 12th of April, there is a very important day, which is an election of Ttaadc ADC constituency. I request everyone to go and cast your vote, and there should not be any violence. I request everyone, irrespective of any political party, that everybody has their own rights, so that they go, so that they will be allowed to cast their votes. There should not be any violence. There should be peace maintained. Soon after the election, we have festivals, so that the festivals may be celebrated peacefully without any violence. I wishes everyone once again in advance happy Wishu, happy Biju, happy Sangrai, happy Goriater. Thank you everyone.